Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Daphne. Thanks for tuning in. Let's get into the video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a fudge pudding cake. It's very simple and delicious. Okay, so let's get started. First of all, I'm going to put the oven on 350. That could be preheating while I do everything else that needs to be done. And then we're going to be using a square pan. This one is a 8x8. You can also use a 9x9 if you have it, but this is what we're going to be doing. So let's start. Okay, this is all the ingredients that we're going to be using to make it. This is flour and sugar because they're not labeled, so you know. And that's butter. The pan is ungreased, so you don't need to put nothing in it. Oh, it looks good. I know that. Smells amazing. Now it's going in the oven. It's going to bake for about 35 to 40 minutes. I'll check it at 35. See if it's done. Okay, the cake is done and it has cooked for 35 minutes. Look how yummy. Oh. I'm going to let it sit for about 15 minutes and then I'll scoop in it and get me some out. Now for us to try this. Oh my goodness, look at all that. Smell it. About to taste it. Oh, it looks so good. That is delicious. Definitely need to give this a try. This is good. Quick, easy to make. Ain't much to it. Very good. That being said, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and share. Don't forget to subscribe and push the bell button to be notified the next time I upload a video. Thanks again. Have a blessed day.